Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, we're going to be doing a little Whatnot auction preview. I have a Whatnot auction tonight, October 27th at 7 p.m. over there on Whatnot. The link to the Whatnot auction will be down in the video description, be at the very top. Just click on the video description, click on that link at the very top, and it will carry you over to the Whatnot auction, the show, and it starts at 7 p.m. tonight. Hope to see y'all there. But we fixing to take a closer look at these knives, guys. So I just want to thank each and every one of y'all for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoy the video. Guys, here is a lot of the dollars and gold. We got a bunch of Zippos. We got a bunch of just some good knives in there. But these are on the Whatnot auction right now. You can pre-bid on these. But look at that baby doll right there. That is a hammerhead. We'll be taking a closer look at that. That's a case trapper right there. I think it's a 97. Then you got one of them. That don't have a sheath, but that one does. Now this one is Arapaho. It's got some scratches on it. It ain't mint, but this is a 1982. With the sheath is very nice. Right there's a Gerber. That's a Gerber. That's a Schrade. Them are two China-made old timers. They'll probably be $1 and go. That's a nice little buck. That'll probably be $1 and go. This is a SOG sent in by Mr. Keith Nelson. I appreciate it, buddy, so much. But we're gonna put it in the auction to raise money for a toy drive for kids. And that right there, I just bought up there with Mr. Bubba himself. Bubba's EDC in Covington, Georgia. That is a Smith and Wesson folding knife. It's very, very cool. Those are rare. That's a Smith and Wesson dagger right there. Now these are pretty cool right here. Now these are Parkers made in Japan. They actually have each. I don't know if it's the whole set there, but it's actually when Georgia Tech was part of the SEC. Believe it or not, has a Georgia Bulldogs. You got the Kentucky Wildcats. This is what they look like right there, and then it's got the. It's got the team on the blade. See it right there? This is going to go as a set. But they're brand spanking new, guys. Brand spanking new. We're going to let them ride tonight. I'll be sure to tune in. But there's a bunch. So you got the Tennessee Vols. You got the LSU Tigers. The Ole Miss Rebels there. There's the Alabama Crimson Tide. That one don't go with the set, but I'm throwing it in there. I think they made a smaller set. But then over here you got the Mississippi State Bulldogs. And you got the Yellow Jet Jackets. And then the Florida Gators. How about that? But that's going to go as a set, guys, as one. Then you got a Cricket right here. Then you got a Schrade. Hang on, guys. Let me put this on a tripod. This right here, the Cricket, Mr. Keith Nelson from Minnesota put this in. I sent this in, but look here. Cricket. Got my Carter handles. Got a blade there and a blade there. That's going to be in the auction with a Kydex sheath. Very, very cool. And this is a old-timer, Schrade old-timer. It is a 158 OT with a gut hook. It's a nice deer skinning knife. Right here, guys, this is a Deer Slayer 70s. See that? It's been used some, but it's still in great shape. Great shape, and the sheath in excellent shape too. With a genuine leather. So that'll be in the auction tonight, guys. Okay. Moving right along, we'll move the tripod. Right here is a Knife Doctor Special. That's a K-bar right there. Good little lock blade knife. We're going to put this one in there for $1 and go. And you got this little Gerber here, brand spanking new, USA made. And this Gerber right here is a nice fixed blade. Got that right there, brand spanking new, sent in to me by Mr. Keith Nelson. Nice, ain't it? This right here is a Parker boot knife. See it right there? Ain't that cool? It says Little Smoky Toothpick. See there? Aluminum handles. Ain't that cool? Alright. Then you got this little Kershaw here. Ain't that cool? Made in Japan. A keychain knife. $1 and go. Now look here, guys. This is a 1940 to 1965, according to my book. Got that round pommel. The leather handle's in good shape. Jipping right there. And look at that blade, guys. I don't think it's ever been sharpened. Cause look at it. No chips, and it ain't. If it's been used, it ain't been that much at all, I'm telling you. And then you got a little bit of pitting going on right there, but it's still a great knife. 40 to 65. The sheath does have a little bit of damage right there. But other than that, I'm going to wax that down. And so it'll be good and waxed before the auction tonight. So that's a good stuff there. Then right here, we got some case pocket knives. I'm going to let y'all see what those are on the auction. But look here, then we got a saber made in Germany. See that? Soligen, Germany. Original Bowie knife. And look at that. Saber. Monarch. 171. Beautiful stag. See that? Ain't that cool? That's going to be in the auction. Then you got a Schrade. Then you got a Schrade 60. I'm going to take you out of the thing for a minute. You got a Schrade 60T. You got a Schrade 60T right here. This has a sheath, and this one's in better shape than that one. The blade has been whittled down some on this one, but still a great knife. And I'm going to shine it up some. Then you got a Kershaw Leak. You got a Parker, a Christmas knife. It's got somebody's name on that, but I'll let y'all see that tonight. But it is a beautiful bone right there. Then you got a that's a 1970s case Sodbuster. There's Sodbuster Juniors. That sheath goes with that Schrade. I think it's a LB7. Yes, LB7. Schrade Plus, that means made after 1981, and it has that carbon steel mixed in with that stainless steel. Now this right here is a Frontier. Beautiful a little knife. These are well made, and they're probably made by Camillus, if I was to guess. Ain't that cool? Then this is a Uncle Henry, I think. Yeah, it needs to be cleaned. I'll wipe it down before the auction. It's been used now, but it's still a great knife. It locks good. It locks real good. So then you got 3 buck knives. One's a 50-year anniversary knife for the Buck 110, 1964 all the way to 2014. And then you got these two right here. Then you got I think it's a China-made Queen, but it is absolutely a gorgeous knife. Then you got a Western fillet knife. I don't know if I'm going to put that one in there yet or not. I'm still contemplating on that. Then there's a Case fixed blade. We're starting over, guys. That's a Boker fixed blade. That right there is a brand new with the box Case folding hunter. And that sheath, look at this sheath. Looks brand spanking new. And look at this baby doll right here. I contemplated about even putting this in there. It's got some kind of some battle scars on the end of the knife, but I really think it's from the sheath, guys. I don't know, because look here. The blade don't ever look like it's ever been used. See that? I think there's a little scuff mark right there. If it's been used, it ain't been used that much, but look at that stag. Ain't that beautiful? Beautiful piece right there. All these little scars right there can be buffed out. They're not real deep. Not real deep at all. But I love that stag. That's some of the most beautiful stag. There's mine right there. See there? Man, that's beautiful. It's going to be an auction tonight, though, guys. It's going to be the auction tonight. But then again, we're starting over. But that's just some of the knives. Again, we got a sack full. We're gonna be running the Zippos at $1 and go. Just some good stuff. That's a $1 and go knife. That's a $1 and go knife. It's a bat edge. Just good stuff, y'all. There's a bunch of knives down here. Let's see. That right there is a porcelain knife, y'all. That is manufactured in China. So that's going to be a $1 and go. Okay, guys, my boss is calling. I'll be right back. Well, guys, when I was filming that video, that was actually Friday morning, and now it's Monday morning. It was a long phone call now, wasn't it? But anyway, the auction is tonight, guys. I've got like 88 or 89 knives up there, knives and items. So they're out there ready to be pre-bidded on, or y'all can wait till tonight. It's just going to be a fun auction night tonight, guys, at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. The actual link for the auction is down in my video description. It is going to be a great time. It's going to be for a great cause. All the profits going to be going towards us buying toys for the across the map missions and ministries. But they're great charity guys. They give out clothes, they give out food, and they also do this toy drive. But I'm going to be doing more charities next year for them, where I just give them the cash and let them do what they need to do with that. So be on the lookout for those coming real soon. But also, guys, I want to let you know, I'm going to give you a little preview of the videos that's coming out this week. On Friday, we went up there, hit a pawn shop, found some knives, and we went on up there to the Collect Country Store, and we bought some more knives up there. And I'll be going over those knives when I do the day one of the Collect Country Store. Then the next day, guys, we're going to show us at the event. I meet so many good folks. It's just an amazing time that I had. They had a great crowd. Thank y'all for coming, all who came. I think it was probably one of the best crowds they ever had, because it was packed when we first started to go in there. The line was out the door waiting to get some merch from the case table. It was so cool. But I got to see a lot of folks I've already met, and I got to meet a lot of new folks I've never met. So it was an awesome time. And I just want to thank y'all for coming. There's one guy that drove all the way from Virginia. There's also somebody else that drove all the way from Oklahoma. So I got to meet those two folks. It was awesome. It was really a cool time. Anyway, guys, again, we're going to have some good videos coming out this week. We're going to be doing some more repairs. I've got to get everything shipped out. So after tonight, we're going to be shipping stuff out. I hope to get it all out on Tuesday, but if not, it's going to follow up into Wednesday. So I should have everything shipped by Wednesday. So I didn't get my my Bear & Son knife like this one here. Those didn't come in yet. He hadn't told me they shipped. So, but we will be having 100 of these at the Ellaville Night Knife Show. Hope to see y'all there. It's going to be a great time again, guys. And this Friday, I'm meeting the gang over there at Yoder's. It's going to be the Mennonite restaurant. It's going to be a cool, we haven't ate there quite some time, because we like to do it outside, because there's really no place on the inside to do it at the Yoder's restaurant in Montezuma. So we're going to be going there and doing it outside, because it's only supposed to be a high of 63 that day, and in the low for that night, it's going to be 38 degrees. Or it could be. Anyway, the low of that day is going to be 38 degrees. It could be that morning they're referring to. But I'm waiting on 100 of these to come in, guys. Ain't that a beautiful, beautiful stack on that knife? I love it, man. Really do. But this is all my Bear & Son. I got another display of Bear & Son I'm gonna be putting down up under this, and I'm hoping some of these knives will fit in that one, because guys, I'm having Mr. Ken Griffey to come here the day before the show. Ain't that cool? He's gonna eat with me, and it's gonna be a great time. Great time. I'm going to have Mr. Ken Griffey right here in the Knife Museum. Such an honor. Such an honor. Cannot wait. Anyway, enough of all that, guys. But thank y'all. I hope to see y'all tonight. It's going to be a great auction. Lots of good knives. Lots of fun. And we're going to make it exciting. We really are. So I just want to thank each and every one of y'all for tuning in today. I want to say God bless to each and every one of y'all. Until we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good night. Stay sharp. And guys, the Stay Sharp knife of the day is a Stag Handle 152 OT. The sharp finger. Ain't that cool? Just an awesome knife that Mr. D.I. Dave gave me down in Chiefland, Florida. I'm fixing to clean up I'm not going to do anything to the Stag, so don't get me wrong. I'm going to take the wire brush with a low speed and go over the Stag, and I'm going to wax it. I'm going to give it a good edge, and we're also going to be waxing the sheath. So can't wait to do that. We'll do that together one day this week. But that is a beautiful, beautiful Stag Handle 152 OT, and I'm so honored to get it from another Marine, a drill instructor that was at Paris Island in platoon 1079 when I was a recruit in 1078. If you're out there, Mr. D.I. Dave, Simplified Man, appreciate you so much. Thank you again so much for this night. Y'all stay sharp. Well, guys, I finally have the link for this t-shirt if you're interested in buying one. This is what I call a working man shirt. You got a pocket. I love a pocket on my t-shirt. Y'all always have. But it's got the Knife Doctor logo on the shirt, on the front here, on the pocket. And on the back, guys, it's got Raised on USA Made Knives. This is my official t-shirt, guys. It represents my channel well. It's got the American flag, which I love. It's got a great looking single blade knife, which I love. It's got USA on the tank stamp, which I absolutely love. And it's got Knife Doctor in the shield. So she has the link, and I will be sharing this in the video description if you're interested in buying one, guys. And I'm already looking into getting the trademark for this knife, or for this shirt. So it's going to be a registered trademark. I'm working on that right now, so it's going to be cool. I thank y'all so much again for all the support, for all the sales on the Ellaville Knife Show t-shirts, and I cannot wait to meet everybody, meet new people at the Ellaville Knife Show, and I hope to see everybody I met last year. So it's going to be great. It's going to be great, guys. And again, the link to this shirt will be down in the video description. All you do is click on the video description. It will be It will be at the top in the video description. So thank y'all so much again for all the support.